night, where the sky meets the desert, and my drink is always full. I got a girl who loves me, and the stars above me shine bright at night, where the sky meets the desert. Where the sky meets the desert. Where the Sky Meets the Desert is filmed on location. All copyrights okayed. Hello everybody, welcome back to Where the Sky Meets the Desert. Daily routine check in the morning. I go and I check my animals. Where the Sky Meets the Desert is filmed on location. All copyrights okayed. GoPro, stop recording. So we're gonna enter my little goat pen that I made. This is the goat pen that I made for the goats. I'm still under construction, but this is what I made them. And it's a double door contraption. So this is where I'm supposed to milk her. So like you open it like this, and then you would shut it. You would shut it like this. It closes. So you shut it, and in here is where like you do like the milking. This would be shut. And by the way, I made this a sliding door. This is GoPro, stop recording. So the goats came out of their pen, but they'll come back in. They go out and they come back in. Thank you, old yeller. Just kidding. Her name's Twinkie, and it's a girl. Did they go inside my house? I think my goats came inside my house. Oh, they are. You guys, why are you in here? I had the AC on so it feels good. You guys can stay in here if you want. I'm just gonna hang out and look at my stuff. Don't knock my stuff around, goatie. I love you. Sometimes it's okay to let your animals inside. My goats love me. I'm very kind to my animals. My goats love me. My chickens love me. Hey, get off the bed. Hey, get off the bed. No, get off. Can't do that. I just washed my bed. I just washed my dog. Just washed my covers. GoPro, stop recording. So this is a sliding door, and you just slide it open. Just like that. It opens more. The goats want to come back inside their house. I was just demonstrating the... Come on, you guys. Come back in. We'll just leave that open. But this is how it works. And here's the goat pen. Here's all their stuff and how it looks. There's like a bunch of shade in here. Then you walk around. They just knock down their little table. They like to get on there and jump around. And up right in here is my chickens. They're brewing, so they're trying to make little babies. Trying to make babies. Here's their food and stuff and their water. They got a lot of water. Big old turd. Alright, I'm converting this right here into like a chicken aviary. I'm gonna have baby chicks soon, so I'm gonna enclose all this. It's gonna come out to like out here, a double door, chicken wire. Here's my little ramp I made, but the goats, I had to take it down because the goats were acting silly. There's my dogs. They're acting good. They're good dogs. Very good dogs. So this is how this is my little farm. I have little goats and chickens. I get milk and eggs. I'm gonna have ducks soon, but that's another episode. I'm over here building a pond. We're gonna come over here to the pond area. Hey, there's that little kitty again. There's the baby. Got some bird stuff hanging. Down here is where I'm gonna have a pond. It's gonna come out here for the ducks. So we got some morning glories growing in there. I wish they were growing out here. They are. I have a whole patch of morning glories right here. Morning glories are considered illegal in some places, but morning glories are a very, very good vine, and I love them. If you could go on Eden Brothers, there's a seed company called Eden Brothers, and you could get wildflowers. You could get all kinds of seeds there. Legal seeds, what I'm talking about. Let me just tell you that for a fact. Yeah, you could get wildflowers, vines, and I hope to get some vines and morning flowers. Right here, I'm gonna put like a gutter drain, so the flexible gutter, and it's gonna be bent that way, and then I'm gonna bury it, and then this is going to my shower. And what I do is I add a kitty. Oh no, I'm gonna have to blur that out for YouTube, kitty. And then this is from my shower, so my shower comes like this. Then it drains, and the water's gonna go all the way to the plants over there. I'm gonna get a shovel right now and redig this. It goes like in a pit. So there's my goats, and here's my little life. I live a good life. There's a couple of nests up there. Yeah, there's a nest right there. There's another one right here. Sorry about that towel hanging. I don't know why that silly towel's hanging there. I think it was because it was winter and I wanted to make sure that pipe didn't pop. So an old towel did it. Yeah, so this is my little farm, you guys. This is how it looks. This is what I do. This is my little life. I'm looking for peacocks. So if anybody out there knows where I can get a peacock, let me know, okay? Sorry, I have the hiccups. Yeah, you know, you got to treat your animals like part of the family, and I love my animals a lot. I treat them good. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Where the Sky Meets the Desert by Chris Rios. GoPro, stop recording. Hi, how are you guys? Hi, you guys. How are you? How are you? Hi, Muffin. Hi, you guys. Because they're cute. I love you. I love you. Stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Hi, Nebula. You just can't leave me alone, can you? You love me. Hey, little baby. There's the baby. And there's my dog, Sophia. She's a wolf. Sophia's a wolf, huh, Sophia? You're a wolf. Don't be running too much. It's hot. It's like 109 degrees outside. That's what happened to the last person that ran. Stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. I do sure hope it rains today. Where the Sky Meets the Desert by Chris Rios. GoPro, stop recording. Oops. So I was digging and I accidentally found a hibernating frog, and there was another one. I did not mean to disturb it. I really didn't. It's asleep, as you can see. It'll move if I move it. I did not want to disturb it. I'm so sorry. We'll just cover it back up. Ta-da! There we go. I did not mean to hurt these frogs. Oh, well, that's what happens at where the sky meets the desert. Whoa. There was a lot of them right here. I wasn't trying to hurt them. I was just trying to dig that out so I could make more of a... Well, I can always fix it, I guess. Give them some water. GoPro, stop recording. There's a big old frog right there. Look at that big old frog. I found it drilling through here. GoPro, stop recording. Yeah, so that's why I stopped digging right now, because of the frogs. And they're endangered right now. They could be part of the Chiricahua leopard frogs. Who knows? Who knows? So I just let it be, you know. I left that one buried. Yeah. GoPro, stop recording. So the frogs were in this little river right here that I have. It's not a river. It's my drain for the shower. I'm fixing it, but they had decided to burrow in there, and there's a giant frog in there somewhere. You can hear it. Anyways, and they came out when I was digging, and so I stopped digging, and so the goats just decided, oh, I almost fell down. So the goats decided to run off out of their cage. Hope you guys know how to get back in. GoPro, stop recording. I heard a big frog right now. There was a big one. I don't know where he went. GoPro, stop recording. In the forest. I wonder if you could put these kind of frogs in an aquarium, and I wonder if they would thrive. You know what I'm saying? It's really nice here. You guys just do what you want, huh? I can hear a rattlesnake. I can hear a rattlesnake somewhere in the distance. I can hear a wolf in the distance. I can hear that mountain lion. Get back in your yard, little chicken. There's a mountain lion out. Get back in here, chicken. They can fly. You know chickens can fly really well. They can fly, dude. Look at how smart my chicken is. Over here, chicken. After I said that, he probably doesn't want to come in. Oh, they're getting out somehow. Oh, they just know how to get out. Never mind. I'll shut up. GoPro, stop recording.